Math in 3 with Mrs. Z. This video is about translating English words into math symbols. Math is a language, and once you know your words, you can translate from the words into the symbols. So take a look at this chart. There's lots of different words that represent each one of the symbols that we have. So the math sentence follows the same orders as the English sentence. We want to look for keywords to determine operations from the chart above. And if you ever see it say a number, that just means that we have a variable. You can pick whatever variable you wish. So number 1, the sum, meaning addition, of of 5 and a number. So I'm going to use x. So this just means that we have 5 plus x. Let's take a look at another one. Quotient. The word quotient means that we're going to divide. A number, so again, let's pick the variable x, and 8. So we go in the same order. X divided by 8. Since x came first in the English sentence, we are putting x first in the division problem. The word number 3, the product of 3 and a number. Product meaning multiply 3 and a number. Again, I'm going to pick x. 3 multiply x. Or you could write 3 multiply x. Or you could write 3 multiply x. Number 4, the difference between 8 and a number. Difference means to subtract. So 8 and a number. There's only 2 exceptions to this rule. These 2 go in the backwards order. So they don't follow the English sentence, they go in the other way. When we have more than, that means that we're going to add, but we're going to add in the other direction. And less than. Less than means we're going to subtract. We're going to subtract in the other direction. So 8 more than a number. So 8 more than a number is how the English sentence goes. But this is the exception to the rule, so it's actually 8x plus 8. Number 2, 2 less than a number. So the English sentence is saying 2 minus x, but really the answer is x minus 2. Once you know your vocabulary words from this chart above, it makes translating much easier. This was Math in 3 with Mrs. Z. Please like and subscribe below. Thanks.